I did a brake changing on this, and I saw that this is shock is badly leaking, so I will replace this shock right here. And I call around to see how much the shock by itself, and cost about over $100, and a complete one is only cost about 180 something. So I will just replace the whole complete one and make my jobs easier, and plus it's better. Why I say better? Because you know, everything, the bushing, all that stuff's new, so I would say that is much better. Okay, so I'm going to replace the shock right now. Okay, in the back here you have the clip holding this right here, and just take these clips out. If you don't have a pry trim like this, you can use a screwdriver. That should be doing it. And the other one right here just holding the wheel sensors line. So that is the number socket 12. And also holding this brake line right here. Okay. On this one you don't have to, but just do it for, you know, make the line a little bit more flex like this. So from the bottom here you only have the stabilizer linkage, is number 17 I believe. And this socket here is number 22. Same thing, the one down the bottom here. Okay, now it's free. So there's 3 bolts holding the top. Okay, you look closely right here, there's 1 and 2 down here. Okay, you can do is open the top here. If you don't, you can go through here. If you have a long wrench like this, you can go all the way down here. Just untie this like this. If you don't, you probably have to open this piece right here. Okay, and then another piece, metal piece underneath it, holding it, and that will clear the room for you to the nut down here. Okay. Okay, now this came off. Pick up from the bottom. Got this new one made by the KBY. I don't know what brand Toyota carry, but you know, the KBY one looks very similar to what Toyota have right here. And it's ready to put it back in there. One handle on the top to holding the shock, because you'll have only one person, and that will be the toughest part right here. As soon as you get your not holding the struts, then you can slowly working on. Okay, because I didn't take down the top here. So what you have to do is just work on this right here. Slowly bring the back one up. Make sure they go to fit it in the hole. Okay. So slowly work this and tie this one up first. Then you can fit into the two in the back. So I'm using the OEM one because it have what do you call? The OEM is a little bit taller and it's easier to fit in the back better because the the height of this. If you don't use the OEM one, then the one in the back you can't use it. These ratchets. Okay, on the back I'm using magnet to drop this on top of it to fit it in, and then let it go. Same things over here. I will drop this in. Okay. And then on this one I slowly use my finger, turn it all the way. My camera can't see it, but so what you have to do is make sure it's fit in, and slowly turn by my magnet. Okay. What you have to do, drop this side a little bit because you tied this already, and you drop it so it will have a pressure on it. So when you have pressure on it, the nut is have a load. So you work on this right here, it will stop, so you can click, Okay. Okay, that's one's done, and then will be this final one over here. This one my hand can reach, so I can make sure it's tight first, so I can using my ratchets to tight more. And then the last one will be the final one, and this one will be the easiest one because it's right here. Okay. That's it, all three done. So right here, even though it doesn't really go straight to fitting here, don't worry, just turn by hand, it just fit in. Okay, so it's not that tight. And push this in. Okay, and then put the nuts in. And slice in. And the bottom one just push like that. Same thing over here. Okay, that's it. Very simple on this if you replace the shock with the stress and all that stuff. Okay, So the benefit to replace a complete one like this is you have a cap that inside here. I think they have bearing in there, and sometimes the bearing is run out of grease. You do have a noise, or even the rubber that on the seat right here is torn. Used to have a noise. So if you replace a complete one, that make the car is run better, and it does not really have noise on it. Okay, so a little bit more expensive, but you got everything in complete, make your jobs easy, and plus you got all the benefit. And this is KBY is a lifetime warranty from Auto Part. Anytime you have a leak, they will replacement for you. This is the part number. In case you have the same car, you want the part number, that is the part number for this hybrid here. Okay, and brand right there. And this carried by O'Reilly and AutoZone. They both carry that. I think Napa may carry too, because very common part for you know, aftermarket manufacturers. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Please help subscribe to keep my channel growing, and see you next video. Bye bye now.